Introduction to Traffic Psychology. What is traffic psychology? Traffic psychology is a relatively new subfield of psychology that is closely related to human factors and engineering psychology. The aim is to improve traffic flow and mobility and counteract the accident through educating and motivating drivers. Traffic psychologist is involved. Traffic psychologists focus on the interaction between human and traffic-related environments, conducting research, do a consultation to the engineers or to the transport officials, investigate the emotional, social, and cognitive underpinning of traffic-related behaviors, give therapy, emotional, and practical support to people who have been in traffic accidents. How to become a traffic psychologist? Finish bachelor's degree in psychology, have master's degrees, and optional for doctorate program. Traffic psychology helps to raise driver self-awareness. Do traffic psychological program for traffic offenders to reintegrate traffic violations into a safety-oriented traffic system. Traffic psychologists continue their work in self-analysis the people misbehaving on the roads, discuss and analyze the result of such behavior.
Dah cakap, lain kali pakai tali pinggang keledar kat belakang.
Hi, I'm Michelle Yeoh. As an actress, I've been in many dangerous situations on screen, but I always get to walk away. In real life though, most people don't. So when you're in your car, follow these safe steps and situations on screen. But I always get to walk away. In real life though, most people don't. So when you're in your car, follow these safe steps and help save lives. The numbers don't lie. Seat belts save lives. Everyone should always wear a seat belt. Passengers who don't wear seat belts are a danger to themselves and others. In a crash, they can be thrown around the car, causing serious injury. Ensure children are safely fastened into car seats suitable for their size and weight, and keep small children out of the front seat. We all have a role in road safety. Follow these safe steps and play your part. For more road safety advice, visit safesteps.com.